Hello. In this tutorial, we'll set up Mythril to analyze smart contracts for security vulnerabilities. Mythril uses symbolic execution and control flow analysis to identify potential risks, helping ensure the security of your code before deployment. Additionally, Mythril can be used to analyze contracts already deployed on Conflux eSpace. Mythril is available as Docker image. To use Mythril via Docker, just pull the image and Mythril will be ready to use. You will need to mount a volume by linking a folder from your computer to the container. This allows Mythril to access files in the mounted directory inside the container. Another way to use Mythril is by installing it directly in your project directory. On GitHub Codespaces, installing Mythril only requires Rust and Cargo. Rust is a programming language, and Cargo is its package manager used to manage dependencies and install Rust-based tools. To complete the setup, you'll need to update the environment variables for Cargo and Rust. Next, in a new terminal, install Mythril via pip. Wait for the installation to complete, and the myth analyze command will be ready to use in your project. This is an example contract called Simple Vault, which allows users to deposit and withdraw CFX. However, this contract contains reentrancy and access control vulnerabilities. Let's see if we can identify and address these issues using Mythril. By default, the output format is in text. You can specify a different output format using the -O option. Available formats include Markdown and JSON. Additionally, you can redirect the results to a file within your project directory. The Markdown format offers a well-structured, readable output. The JSON format can be useful for processing and analyzing the results automatically. Now, let's look at the results. This contract has two vulnerabilities. First, the withdraw function makes an external call, which could allow an attacker to exploit the contract through a reentrancy attack. Second, Mythril flagged an issue with accessing and modifying the contract state after the external call, which could also be exploited. To fix this, we need to reorder the code or use reentrancy guards to prevent these vulnerabilities. If the smart contract includes imports, Mythril may encounter issues because Solidity doesn't automatically resolve import locations. To fix this, we use the remappings option, which maps import statements to their actual file paths. This ensures Solidity can access the required dependencies during analysis. Before running the analysis, make sure all dependencies are installed in the project. Then execute Mythril with the remapping option to analyze the contract correctly. Another way to handle imports and simplify analysis is flattening the contract by merging dependencies into a single file. Now let's review the analysis results for this second example. The withdraw function exposes the contract to reentrancy attacks by allowing external calls and modifying storage afterward. Despite importing reentrancy guard, the function lacks the non-reentrant modifier, leaving it unprotected. And this is how Mythril identifies all the issues found in the analyzed smart contract. Mythril can also analyze smart contracts already deployed on EVM-compatible networks like Conflux eSpace. To do this, use the address option along with the RPC endpoint and port to fetch the contract directly from eSpace. This allows Mythril to retrieve and analyze the deployed contract without needing the source code locally. Mythril is a powerful and continuously evolving tool that ensures the security of smart contracts before and after deployment. As Mythril regularly updates and introduces new analysis modules, the tool becomes effective at detecting a wider range of vulnerabilities. This means that analyzing deployed contracts may uncover different issues over time, as new checks are added. Mythril helps identify potential risks, allowing for better informed decisions and more secure smart contract development. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching.